Let's take a closer look at the Pink Stuff multi-purpose cleaner. Now, if you're looking to go green and remove those harsh chemicals from your home, then I have the perfect product for you. This is a versatile multi-spray cleaner, and it's made for all kinds of surfaces in your home, whether you need to clean indoors or outdoors. Now, it removes stubborn dirt and grease with very little effort. I have used this in my kitchen, my bathroom sinks, my stove, my stubborn pots and pans, and my bathroom shower tile. It's real easy to use. As you can see, it's just a spray bottle. So you can spray it on your counters. I've sprayed it on my slow cooker. You can spray it on your tile floors. I have ceramic tile in my bathroom shower. It has really helped to remove the calcium buildup on my tile. And I recently used it to take the scuff marks off my tennis shoes. This cleaner is absolutely amazing. And my favorite thing about this cleaner is that it's made with 100% natural ingredients. It is vegan friendly and cruelty free, and it has a pleasant rhubarb scent that leaves your home smelling fresh and very clean. So if you have never tried the Pink Stuff products, I highly recommend them and this multi-purpose cleaner.